I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by enabling night mode on your iPhone and stabilize it firmly on a tripod. Set the exposure time manually between 1 and 10 seconds for darker scenes. Turn off the flash and move away from other bright screens or lights that will wash the shot. Compose with high contrast areas and hold the phone steady using a remote or the self-timer. Use live photos when available to capture extra frames for editing and to reduce motion blur during the longer exposure. Open the native camera or a pro app like Halide or Pro Cam to access manual controls. Set exposure time between 1 and 10 seconds and target ISO around 800 to 1600 to balance noise and detail. Lock focus on a bright subject and use a cable or Bluetooth remote to avoid shutter jitter. Choose the rear wide lens for best sensitivity and shoot RAW to retain more tonal data for color grading later. Adjust white balance slightly cooler to start the night vision tone. Import your RAW image into a mobile editor and start color grading to mimic night vision aesthetics. Boost the green channel roughly 50% and lower the red and blue channels to form a distinct green tint. Increase overall exposure slightly, add grain between 10 and 20%, and raise contrast and clarity to reveal texture. Desaturate non-green colors, apply a subtle vignette, and reduce highlights to keep bright spots from clipping. Save a copy and export at full resolution for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.